Hi, I'm Dorie Greenspan. I'm a cookbook author. My new book is called Everyday Dorie. Today I'm making a Tian. It's an arts and crafts project. The vegetables are Provence: tomato, zucchini, eggplant, but it can be many things. In Everyday Dorie, I give you an exact recipe for this. After anyone has made a Tian for the first time, it becomes your recipe. You can make it any way you want. Everything just cooks in the oil, in the heat, and becomes almost confit, almost candy. I go to the markets just about every day. The markets really dictate how I cook. I go to the market with a list, and I come home with all kinds of things that weren't on the list. So the markets really tell me, they dictate what I'll be cooking. Who couldn't love this? To me, this is really Paris. To be in the market, to be able to go from aisle to aisle, to see everything. Using the Emile Henry dish that we use today is perfect because when the Tian comes out of the oven, you serve it in the dish that it was baked in. And so you want something beautiful, and this dish has such lovely fluted edges. It's really nice. I spend my time in Paris happily. I'm always, I've been coming here for so many years, and I've been living part-time in Paris for 20 years. And each time I come, I'm as excited as if it was the first time. And I spend a lot of my time right here in this kitchen.